If you want to uninstall Google Chrome from Windows 10, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're freeing up space, troubleshooting browser issues, or just switching to a different browser, removing Chrome is simple once you know where to look. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, click on the Windows search bar at the bottom left of your screen. This is where you can quickly find apps, settings, and tools on your computer. Now type Control Panel into the search box. When Control Panel appears in the results, click on it to open it. Once Control Panel is open, look for the option that says Uninstall a program. This may also appear under Programs depending on how your view is set up. Click on Uninstall a program to see a full list of installed applications on your Windows 10 PC. Now scroll through the list until you find Google Chrome. Once you see it, click on Google Chrome to highlight it. After selecting it, look at the top of the window and click Uninstall. Windows will now begin the removal process. If a confirmation window appears, click Yes or follow any prompts that show up to complete the uninstall. After that, Chrome will be removed from your computer. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Google Chrome from Windows 10. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step Windows guides, helpful fixes, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.